Did you know that just 10 minutes of gentle movement every day can improve your memory, balance, and sleep quality? You don't need a gym. You don't need a trainer. All you need is a sturdy chair, comfortable shoes, and a few quiet minutes. Today, I'll guide you through 10 easy exercises you can do right at home to help you feel stronger, more flexible, and more alive each day, even if you're just getting started. I understand how it feels: the stiff knees, the lower back aches, the worry about losing balance. Maybe you've tried working out before, but IT felt too hard, too fast, or just not made for you. Here's the truth. You don't need intense workouts to get real results. All you need are simple, SAFE. Consistent movements done at your own pace. Each small motion is a big step forward for your body and your confidence. Let's start. Gently together, we'll go through 10 easy exercises, each about 1 minute long. Nitrogen monoxide special. Equipment needed: just a chair and some space. You can stand or sit, whatever feels comfortable. Pause anytime you need. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress and consistency. This is your time to reconnect with your body and re-energize your spirit. Let's begin. Explain 10 easy exercise marching in place. Starting. Position. Stand tall with your arms relaxed by your sides. Movement. Lift your right knee up to hip level, or as high as comfortable. Then lower it back down. Switch to the left leg. Keep a steady rhythm. What you should feel: your legs and hips warming up, your breathing deeper, your heart waking up. Safety tip: hold on to a chair or wall if you need balance support. A perfect way to start, boosting circulation and warming your entire body. Shoulder roll. Starting position. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Movement. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears. Roll them back and then lower them down. Make slow, smooth circles. What you should feel: tension melting from your neck and upper back. Safety tip: if you have neck pain, keep the circles small and gentle. Do 10 rolls backward, then 10 forward. Great for posture and shoulder mobility. Seated leg extension. Starting position. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. Movement. Straighten your right leg out in front of you, lifting the heel slightly off the floor. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower. Switch legs. What you should feel: your thigh muscles engaging and your knees loosening. Safety tip: don't lock your knee completely straight. Keep IT soft. Excellent for building leg strength and making standing up easier. Wall push-up. Starting position. Stand about 2 feet from a wall. Place your hands on IT at shoulder height. Movement. Inhale as you bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Exhale as you press back to start. What you should feel: your arms, chest, and shoulders working gently. Safety tip: keep your head, BACK, and hips in one straight line. Do 101.5 reps to strengthen your upper body without straining your joints. Heel raise. Estrading position. Stand behind a chair, hands lightly resting on the back for support. Movement. Lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Hold for a moment, then lower slowly. What you should feel: a gentle stretch in your calves and better circulation in your legs. Safety tip: move slowly. Control is more important than height. Perfect for improving leg strength and ankle stability. Side leg lift. Starting position. Stand tall with one hand on a chair for support. Movement. Lift your right leg out to the side without twisting your hips. Pause for a moment, then lower slowly. Repeat on the left. What you should feel: your hip and outer thigh muscles working. Safety tip: keep your upper body still and avoid leaning. Great for balance and reducing the risk of falls. Arm circle. Starting. Position. Stand or sit with your arms extended to the sides at shoulder height. Movement. Make small circles forward for 10 seconds. Then reverse for another 10. Gradually increase the size of the circles if comfortable. What you should feel. Gentle warmth in your shoulders and upper arms. Safety. Tip: if you feel tired, lower your arms to rest and resume when ready. A simple move that boosts shoulder mobility and blood flow. Chair squat starting position. Stand in front of a chair with your feet hip-width apart. Movement. Push your hips back and bend your knees. AS if you're about to sit down. Lightly touch the chair, then stand back up. What you should feel. Your thighs, hips, and glutes engaging. Safety tip: keep your back straight and knees behind your toes. Builds lower body strength and makes daily movements like standing easier. Seated torso twist starting position. Sit upright with your feet flat on the floor and hands on your thighs. Movement. Gently turn your upper body to the right while keeping hips still. Hold for 2 seconds. Then return and switch to the left. What you should feel. A light stretch along your waist and lower back. Safety tip: twist only as far as feels comfortable. Improves spinal mobility and aids digestion. A wonderful midday relaxer. Deep breathing and stretch starting position. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Movement. Inhale slowly through your nose as you raise your arms overhead. Hold for a moment. Exhale gently through your mouth as you lower your arms. Repeat 5 times. What you should feel. Your chest opening and your mind calming. A perfect way to end your session, balancing your body and mind. Fantastic job! You just completed 10 gentle exercises that keep you strong and active right at home. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to check the description below for a few recommended health products for seniors, like non-slip yoga mats, light resistance bands, and support chairs that can make your workouts safer and more comfortable. They're hand-picked for beginners over 60 and can really help. You build a steady routine. Age doesn't make you as weak. Stopping movement does. Every time you stand up, breathe deeply and move. You're making your body and mind younger. Be proud of yourself for showing up today. And remember, it's never too late to start living healthy. Thank you for joining me on Senior Health Kieuverse. We can't turn back time, but we can make every day stronger, brighter, and more meaningful. See you in the next video. And until then, keep moving, keep smiling, and keep thriving.